Hello everyone, I am Dishika Rathod and I and my friend kept Doodling Workshop for my leadership project. I chose to keep this workshop because I had done a thorough research about doodling and I had learned lots of it before. Additionally, I wanted to organize a workshop of doodle art that I can make people learn a new art. Hirva and I planned a step-by-step way to teach doodle art with perfection. We decided that we would teach of grade 6 and grade 5 students. We also thought to give certificates to the students who attended all the workshop. After deciding the plan, we got approved by our mentor and we took it further. We created slides and other resources which were needed. Then we created a form and sent it to them. After getting around 50 responses, we started to take the workshops, which went pretty well. Also, after every workshop, students would send their doodle to us. In this workshop, we basically taught them patterns, some interesting facts about doodle artists, 3 types of doodles, which are mandala art, monster doodling, and Mr. Doodle's doodle, and a lot more. Here are some pictures of the workshop. I learned many things like tackling all the students at the same time, working cooperatively in a team, and improving my leadership skills, etc. Struggles which I faced during the workshop are troubles in handling the children as there were many students who came and it was difficult to handle them all. As I was working in a pair, so online communication was also one of the difficulty. Teaching students online. Throughout this fun workshop, I developed many new skills. I developed my leadership skills as I was teaching them what I was great at. Solving and decision making skills as they were fight during the workshop and I could demonstrate problem solving and decision making skills here. Speaking and listening skills because I had to speak as well as listen to others and their point of view. Teamwork as I had to work in a pair, so we both were kind to each other. We were supporting, encouraging, and developing each other to achieve a shared goal. Aiming high, staying positive. Lastly, I developed self-management skills and productivity. The traits which I developed are proactivity as I worked every day on planning things for workshop, kindness and discipline because I was kind to the students and my peer and I was very well disciplined all the time. Lastly, I would like to thank my mentor Saloni ma'am and Hirva for helping me and my parents for encouraging and motivating me. Thank you.